Welcome to this last step of the first part of Pass, and we will see how to compute the indicators describing the health system. As I said, the methodology applied is the one provided by WHO. It's called SARA, and if you look for a reference, here is the link where you can find all the material available. I really invite you to have a look at that. So the page basically starts with the definition of the catchment area. You have to go back to the previous page and perform the selection of the catchment area. So you use, as before, these drop-down menus. You select wherever you wanna whatever you want to consider as catchment area, and you ask to show you the population. Once the computation is done, you go back to the fourth page, and as you can see, you have here the area that you select, and the estimates produced are also reported already here. At this point, it's completely up to you. As we said before, these two estimates might be meaningful, both of them, or only one of them can be meaningful, or maybe both are providing an estimate that doesn't really make sense. So Pass gives you the opportunity to insert another number to be used in the next computation. If you don't insert any value, it will use the average between the two. So in this case, here, for your information, is reported the average between these two. Let's say that we are fine with that, and then we want to compute the indicator. So basically, Pass will use this population value, will look for the facilities that are included in the area that we choose, and it will extract the indicators. Once the results are ready, you will see this window. There is one more step that requires your input. It's the provision of the crude birth rate estimate. You should insert it here. If you want for help, you can find this link, this hint. There is a link to the World Bank depository where you can find this value for many countries. And then basically the methodology is implemented, and you see the results. You see the raw numbers, therefore the facilities, the beds, the workforce that it's found in your chosen catchment area. You see in a chart, and you also have the possibility to review the targets. Therefore, what are the ideal values of this indicator? WHO is providing these numbers as a reference. You have the opportunity to accept them or to choose them according to your own standards. So, for example, here we decided that okay, we want more facility than the two described by WHO, and we say okay, maybe 6 is too much, let's say 4. So Pass will use this as a target to create a score that is describing the performance of your sample according to the target. So in this case, we are actually pretty bad, because the percentage value is 3. That means that, as you can see here, the distance from the target is quite high. Once again, if you don't insert any value here, Pass is using by default the WHO target. In the chart, you have first on the left the comparison between the target that you decide to use compared to the one provided by WHO. So, for example, in the number of facilities, as you can see, we are using a target that is 200%, 2 times higher than the one proposed. Instead, for example, here in the number of outpatient visits, we are using a target that's lower than the one proposed. And here, finally, you have the results of your survey as a percentage of the target. Following the same principle, there is a similar overview divided per service. So here you have all the services that are counted inside the catchment area that you choose. In this column here, you have to provide your own reference. So how many, for example, family plannings do you believe that should be provided in that area? And in the chart, you will see the comparison between the target, the black line, and your assessed area. This is it for this page, and actually for the first step of Pass. So now you have this information that it's supposed to guide you in the definition of a strategy. You have available 6 basic indicators that are assessing where the gaps are. Good luck.